Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to fill the hatching in AutoCAD. When very importance for hatching when provide the section view and different cut section, revolve cut section, whole section, half section. So different types of section when we will provide the hatching here. So very important to create AutoCAD hatching. So when you start, first of all I will create the rectangle. First select the rectangle here, then I will draw here in the background, AutoCAD background. When I click this rectangle here, just when I start the rectangle, when click the rectangle, just look at this rectangle here. This rectangle I will fill this hatching. So first of all click the hatching. There are different types of hatching here available. Look at this hatching, gradient, boundary. When I click the hatching, there is a selection of hatching. First of all click the pick point, and second thing pattern of hatching, and here the different types of hatching here. So when you click this pick point, so here look at this is our hatching. Automatically click here hatching right now. Okay, then enter. This is hatching. When I want to adjustment this hatching, so click double click. When double click, when provide the distance here, this is the hatching distance, like how to, when here the hatching, when I go to change the hatching position, so it is very easy to work, change the hatching condition. When again I will fill this another hatching shortcut key, I will select the circle here. First of all create the circle right now, make the one circle, then I will go to fill this hatching. So first of all click the edge, enter. Edge is shortcut key of hatching. Look at this here, hatch, edge, indicate to hatching here. So it is very easy to hatching. So when you enter this edge, then look at this, automatically fill, then enter also. Again I want to change this point here, so we will change the point 0.5. Look at this, their distance and grid is also increase here as compared to this. So when I decrease this here level, and automatically here increase, and gap between decrease. So very easy to create the hatching in AutoCAD. And when again I will show you another different types of process in hatching. So when you go to ellipse here and click the ellipse, make ellipse diagram, and look at this here ellipse. So this ellipse, when click the point and adjustment, easy to adjustment this hatching ellipse. Okay, then I will select this here, click the shortcut key H, enter, and come to hatching. When just coming here this position and showing the hatching, what type you need the hatching, it is importance. So look at this, I want this type of hatching. Then also I want to go to change here pattern. if which type of pattern you want to under define, and if you click the pattern, this is the gradient type. If also click this pattern, solid type. So different types of pattern is available here. So if you click this pattern position and which type of pattern do you want, first of all click here. Then also this is selection is pattern right now. So it is very easy to create the hatching, and when we will provide the dimension and other different process of hatching work. So today has been complete the session, and thank you.